YouTubers, here we go with the second part of the Vankyo 8-in-1 USB-C hub HC80. Adapt your life. Got 8 of those bad boys. Really nice. You guys can check them out. Links will be down below. And let's see what this thing looks like. Hope everyone had a good day so far, and everybody is safe. It's almost Christmas. 5 days for Santa. Here we go. Got it out of the package, and now let's get out of the box. Give me 1 second. Alright, here it is, what it looks like in the package. Really nice. Adapt your life. Oh yeah. Can never have too many of these. Especially now with everything still technology. Everyone's using one of these. This is a nice one to have. Comes with a nice little satchel. Got that thrown away. Got that thrown away. Now, if you share your experience or give them a review, you get a gift. And there you go. So this is an 8-in-1 USB hub, and then well, everything coming out. So we got here TF slot, USB, HDMI, so you can run your TV off this, kind of like I'm doing with my screen, stuff like that. So that's really cool. Then you can charge your phone, tablets. Oh, timber. Oh boy, here we go. So you can charge your tablets there, your devices, your phones, your Nintendo Switch, and add some memory, upload. Really nice to have. So definitely, YouTubers, check them out when you guys got some free time. This is a Vankyo USB hub, and you guys can get one at low cost. And it comes with one of these. I think the adapter. USB-C hub. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really cool company on Amazon. You guys be safe. Oh. There you go. And like I said, yeah, that's about it. So really cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.